Remember biology class, diagrams, big words, invisible creatures, and somehow it all felt dull. That's the irony. Microbiology holds the secrets to pandemics, pollution, health, even survival. But for too long, we've taught it like trivia, textbooks, memorization, disconnection, and that's a problem. When students lose interest, we lose future scientists, doctors, and everyday citizens who understand how vital microbes truly are. So here's the shift. What if learning about microbes wasn't boring, but a full-blown adventure? Across classrooms and learning platforms, educators are flipping the script. They're swapping lectures for simulations, textbooks for hands-on missions. It's not just microbiology anymore. It's microbe ed revolutionized. Forget reading about bacteria. Today's students step inside them. With platforms like Labster, learners run virtual experiments, gram stains, culturing, genetic simulations, no real lab needed. AR and VR, game changers. Want to hold a 3D bacterium or walk through a human cell like Ant-Man? Done. Students don't just see concepts, they experience them. AI tutors personalize content, spot weak points, and walk students through complex ideas like microbial resistance or genomics. Microbial learning just got way more intelligent. Tech's great, but nothing beats the magic of getting your hands dirty. Build a Winogradsky column and watch colorful microbial ecosystems evolve inside a jar. Explore pond water and find tardigrades, those nearly invisible, space-proof survivors. Swab your phone, grow cultures, and learn real-world hygiene in action. These experiments make science visible, tangible, memorable. Microbiology meets games, and the results incredible. Card games turn microbes into characters with wild traits. Digital games let students solve outbreak mysteries or battle bacteria head-on. Even a simple guessing game, what microbe am I, builds logic, memory, and scientific deduction. Students don't just learn, they play, they compete, they win. Instead of listing microbe functions, follow the journey of a pathogen sneaking through the immune system. Or tell how a scientist stumbled on penicillin and changed history. Let students create microbe comics, write disease mysteries, or compare bacteria to superheroes. Narrative unlocks connection to science, to society, and to the self, the secret sauce, blending it all. The real magic happens when we mix it up. Start with a story, dive into a VR lab, run real-world tests. Wrap up with a gamified quiz or a student-created PSA. This isn't just teaching. It's orchestration, and it works. Blended methods boost engagement, retention, and long-term curiosity. It's not just about passing exams, it's about creating thinkers, doers, explorers. We're not teaching microbiology. We're revolutionizing it. What about you? Are you a teacher ready to remix your class? A student craving more than notes? Or just someone who thinks microbes deserve more than a shrug? Drop a comment, share your ideas, join the movement. And hey, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next mind-blowing journey into the world of science. Let's make microbe education unforgettable, because the invisible world deserves to be seen.